Hi, Alex. Good morning. What are you working on?
Oh, hi, Jamie. I'm learning some Tibetan greetings. Did you know that in Tibetan, they say Tashi Delek?
Tashi delay.
For hello? Tashi Delek? That sounds cool. How do you say it again? Tashi Delek.
Tashi delay.
Tashi Delek. Does it sound okay? Perfect. That's how you greet someone in Tibetan now. Let's try good morning. It's also Tashi Delek. Good morning, Iqbal Tashi Delek. Got it? Wait, how do you say goodbye? Goodbye is Shuk Danja. Goodbye, Shuk Danja. Okay, now for introductions. In Tibetan, to say my name is you say Gai Ming Ming Yin. Gai Ming Ming Yin. Gai Ming Yin. That's interesting. Can you show me? Sure. My name is Alex in Tibetan. Gai Ming Alex Yin. Gai Ming Alex Yin. Gai Ming Jamie Yin. Perfect. Let's switch. Ask me my name. How do I ask in Tibetan? What's the phrase? You say Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Is that right? Exactly. Now try it with me. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Alex, yeah. Your turn. Gai Ming Jamie, yeah. To go. Remember, goodbye is Shuk Danja. Shuk Danja, Alex. I'll practice and see you next time. Shuk Danja, Jamie. And don't forget Tashi Delek for hello.
In Tibetan, how are you? Is Kairang Pusu Debo Yimbai.
Debo Yimbai.
Kairang Pusu Debo Yimbai. Kairang Pusu Debo Yimbai. That's right. To respond, you say, I'm fine, Ngadebo Yin. Ngadebo Yin. Ngadebo Yin. Did I say it correctly? Yes, if you're not well, you say, I'm not well. Ngadebo Mindung. Ngadebo Mindung. Ngadebo Mindung. I'm getting the hang of this.
And don't forget to say thank you, Tuk Chair.
Took the chair, Alex, for being my teacher today. Took the chair, Alex, for being my teacher today. Took the chair, Alex, for being my teacher today. They both beam a like tuneful duet, weaving Tibetan phrases into a cheerful melody. Chair, took chair, gratitude in every way.
All right, Jamie. Let's get started with some basic Tibetan phrases for your trip to Tibet.
First, let's learn how to say, when Tibetan, it's Gadus.
Repeat after me.
Gadus.
Gadu. Gadu. Great! Now let's try a sentence. When traveling to Tibet, is Badlayul score do drodos? Give it a shot! Badlayul score do drodos. Perfect! If you wanna say when you go to Tibet, it's Kdrang Badla Drodos. Exactly. Now, let's try something a bit longer. When I travel to Tibet next year is Ngaslores Mar Podla Yulskor du Drodos.
Jesmar means next year. Dro means to go.
Gadus is shortened to dus when used in sentences like in Drodus, meaning when going. Now you try. Naslo Jesmar Podla Yulskor du Drodos. Very good. Keep practicing, and it'll get easier. Next, let's learn how to ask weird questions in Tibetan. Where is Gangdu? For example, where will you stay is Gangdu. Dot K in Gangdu means where. Dot means to stay. Inam is used for asking a question. Now you try.
Gangdu dot K in
Perfect! Now let's try where is the best restaurant? If Soldon Kangyak show the Gapar Yodam. Soldon Kangyak show the Gapar Yodam. Great job, Jamie! You're picking this up quickly!
Great job, Jamie. You're picking this up quickly.
Jamie, I found some super useful Tibetan phrases for our trip. Let's practice them together. Great idea, Alex. Let's start with what questions? What's the first one? Okay, here's a simple one. What is this? In Tibetan, you can say Digare Re.
Let me try. Digare Re. Did I get it right?
I heck it. Imagine we're pointing to a souvenir. You can ask, what is this?
Cool!
Digare Re, Digare Re.
What's the next question?
What is the name of this place? You can say in Tibetan, Sachadi Mingla Gare Re.
Sachadi Mingla Gare Re. I like it.
We'll use this when we're exploring.
Let's switch to other important questions. What do we have?
Here's a practical one. How do I get to the hotel? In Tibetan, you can say Ngadrun Kong Du Dro Tangang Dare.
Ngadrun Kong Du Dro Tangang Dare. Got it. Imagine us asking for directions. Super handy.
Absolutely. Here's another one. How much does this ticket cost? In Tibetan, you can say Ticket Dairin Gongat Saradam.
Ticket Dairin Gongat Saradam.
Nice. I'll need that when buying tickets.
What about other questions we might need during our travel?
Oh, here's a deep one. Why is this place famous? In Tibetan, you can say Sachadi Drachen Shikyin Pei Gyu Sen Yin Nam.
Sachadi Drachen Shikyin Pei Gyu Sen Yin Nam.
It's a mouthful, but it sounds cool.
You'll nail it with practice. Here's another one.
Why do I need to bring warm clothes for a Tibet trip? In Tibetan, you can say Ngabur du Drul Shuchet Pargadrun Boker Goden Gareyanam. Ngabur du Drul Shuchet Pargadrun Poker Goden Gareyanam. Makes sense. It's gonna be cold up there.
This is so much fun, Jamie. Once we're in Tibet,
We'll sound like pros.
definitely. I can't wait to ask locals all these questions and maybe learn
even more.
Same here. Let's practice some more tomorrow.
Deal. Tashi Delek, Alex. Tashi Delek, Jamie.